Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Arun Karle, student of first year M.Pharm Pharmaceutics Department from Sri D.D. Vispute College of Pharmacy and Research Center, Panvel. During this COVID pandemic, due to lockdown, we are unable to reach our college library, so we are not getting any book and study material. But good thing is that APTI, Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Mumbai region, they prepared one digital platform by the name of Gnan Ganga, where we are getting all the study material, PDF, study notes, all these things we are getting over there. So this is very useful and beneficial to us. Our college PG in charge and APTI coordinator Dr. Bhushan Rane sir shared all these study material notes and link with us, which is very useful for us. So I would like to thanks all the APTI members who taken the efforts for this program, which is very useful for all the students. And also I would like to thanks our Dr. Bhushan Rane sir who shared all these notes and study material with us. Thank you.
2020 what 10 year एकदम क्या कर. In between all of this, it is just not possible for us to discontinue our education. Our hardworking teachers are taking so much pain to perform extraordinarily via online platforms so that we don't miss an essence of our regular classes. असाच एक पुढाकार घेतला आहे आपल्या टीचर्सनी. APTI मुंबई रीजन ज्ञान गंगा इज एन ई डिपॉजिटरी, मतलब एक ऑनलाइन लाइब्रेरी ही समझिए, जहाँ पे आपको अभी के फील्ड के हर एकेडमिक ईयर के सब्जेक्ट वाइज चैप्टर रिलेटेड नोट्स एंड वीडियोस मिलेंगे, सरल आसान शब्द और भाषा में. पिछले एक साल से ज्ञान गंगा हैज बीन वर्किंग टायरलेसली टू मेक श्योर दैट स्टूडेंट्स हैव एन एक्सीलेंट रिजल्ट्स अमंग themselves. Gyan Ganga is always handy. It's like searching for a normal YouTube video. YouTube पे जाओ, सर्च बार में सर्च करो और सीधा आपके सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड सारा का सारा कंटेंट आ जाता है. And Gyan Ganga website has been helping many students since last year because काफी सारी बुक्स है जो कि हर स्टूडेंट अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाता. But YouTube and internet has been made for us ताकि वो हमारा काम आसान कर पाए. ऑल ऑफ दिस हैज बीन डन क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया, करेक्ट, तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया.
Ganga makes the best way of learning for us. In pandemic, most of the teacher comes up with the online teaching and great knowledge through Ganga.
It just not only clears a topic, but teachers across the Mumbai University region gives best lectures to us in a very correct manner and with best teaching.
It is not only limited to the one subject, but the teachers from all the subject of pharmacy are here to teach us live or exclusive, and this not only helps us to learn, but also to get the best knowledge from the brilliant faculties.
And under the one umbrella, it is done by APTI for the students. We are very thankful to them for this wonderful curriculum. We wish we could gain more and more knowledge and simple learning from teachers across Maharashtra and various universities from all over India.
In today's online world, students tend to use social platform more, and hence Gyan Ganga emphasizes online learning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Kashi Oja, student of final year B.Pharm of Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research affiliated to Mumbai University. Pharma Darpan is one of the exciting platforms which provides an opportunity to the student to enhance their inner talent and to achieve the great success in their respective area of interest. It also gives them a kind of confidence to build their inner personality in a very unique way. It compresses our beloved teachers' achievement and also a student's achievement. This platform unites each and every individual of the institute and faculty member under one roof. APTI Mumbai region important role in each and every individual's life. Gyan Ganga is such a platform which gives a tremendous and immense knowledge to the student. It also provides a detailed knowledge of topic covered under the syllabus of Mumbai University. It showcases all the PDFs and videos of the topic of all the subjects. This great platform is incomplete without the contribution of our teachers. Our talented teachers have done a great job in explaining each and every point in such a simpler way that it is very easy to understand and to remember it all for a long time. I wholeheartedly thanks to all the members of Pharma Darpan and Dhyan Ganga team for all their efforts and dedication towards this. Thank you.
Hi, myself Kush Jain, currently in third year B Pharm, studying in D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, Nerul Navi, Mumbai. So I would like to appreciate this great initiative like Dhyan Ganga, repository of academic study material. It has truly helped me a lot in studying and clearing all type of doubts, and it has given me some great extra information based on the subject. All notes and the recorded lectures, they are of utmost importance as it has created a huge base for knowledge in me. It has also given me a positive helping hand for my revision. So I show my gratitude and personal acknowledge this initiative. Thanking all the professors for taking such a good initiative and making us understand in the best possible way. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is Nikul Narendra Patel from Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadam. E-repository Jnanaganga itself resembles the name of holy river Ganga. As we all know how the holy river Ganga is important in our Indian culture and tradition. It is not just the symbol as a river, but it is the symbol of faith with hope, culture, sanity and livelihood for many peoples. And for many peoples, it has brightened up the future across the country. In the same way, e-repository Jnanaganga, the academic material, has also been an advantage to we all students to brighten up our future, and which has been created by young and experienced pharmacy teachers to gain the knowledge in the pharmacy field to all the students across the country. I thank all the teachers for creating such a beautiful academic material and to allow students to learn at their own pace of time with all sort of academic materials. Thank you.